Hey and welcome to another quick tutorial on a project. Today I'm making a 3D glitter foam snowflake. Online I found these 3D snowflakes that I've amended to use on my Cricut. You can either use the free project that I've linked below, or you can just use scissors to cut out the shapes. Firstly, you need to match up each shape. You'll be gluing these together on the non-glitter side. Now you've got three thicker shapes. Take the two pieces that have just the one cut out and slide these two together. Because the foam is a little bit thick, you might need to wriggle them to get them into place. I like to wriggle these little cutouts just so it's easier to get the third piece in. Now pick up the third piece, wrap it around the snowflake and slide the little cutouts together where they line up. This can be a little bit tricky, but the more you do them, the faster you get. You can move the foam around to create the shape that you want and to straighten a few pieces up. I like to glue these last two edges together. It just holds the shape of the snowflake together better. And that's it, a really simple way to make 3D snowflakes. You can try it with different foams, different cards. It's a really fun project to do with kids over the Christmas period, or you could just make them for yourself for your tree or your house decorations. Remember to tag me on any social media posts. I'd love to see what you guys are making. Please like and subscribe for more crafty tutorials, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!